Well, it's that time. It's time for breakfast. And today, Charlie and Rex have some sausages. And they are so excited about their sausages. Get them in their bowls. Rex, what are you doing? Bowl for Charlie. Oh, he looks excited. Oh, he can't even handle it. He's so excited. Where did he go? There he is. Oh, Rex is doing tricks. Rex, here we go, boys. Come on, who's hungry? Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Charlie's really hungry. And one for Charlie. One for Rex. I think Charlie got an extra one. Better get it. Hey. There, now we're even. And we're done. Better check each other's bowls. Rex is gonna lick his. Was it good, Charlie? Was it so yummy? Did you think that was good, boys? Thanks, Seamus. Thanks.